Once upon a time, in a peaceful valley, a family of ducks lived near a sparkling pond. Among them was one little black duckling. She was different from the others, who were all white and shiny. The white ducks would often make fun of her. Look at her dark feathers, they giggled. She doesn't look like us. We don't want to play with her. The black duck felt sad, but she stayed kind and gentle. Every day she wished the others would accept her. One sunny afternoon, the white ducklings splashed happily in the pond. They quacked and raced each other, ignoring the black duck sitting quietly on the shore. Suddenly, a loud rumble echoed through the valley. A huge stone from the mountain above broke loose and rolled down straight toward the pond. The black duck's eyes widened. She knew it would crash into the water where the little ducklings played. Without thinking of herself, she rushed into the pond, flapping her wings and quacking loudly to push the ducklings out of the way. Just in time, the ducklings escaped, but the stones splashed into the pond and hit her wing. She cried in pain, but when the other ducks saw what she had done, their hearts melted. The white ducks swam to her side. "You saved us," they said, tears in their eyes. "We are so sorry for making fun of you. You are the bravest duck of us all." From that day on, the black duck was no longer lonely. The other ducks played with her, loved her, and admired her courage. She finally felt proud of her feathers because her heart had always been more beautiful than anything else.